If you want to generate a website in Framer with AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple step-by-step process to open Framer, use the AI Wireframer tool, and generate a website layout in just a few moments. This is a great option if you want to build faster, test ideas, or create a polished starting point without designing everything from scratch. And once the AI has done the heavy lifting, you can still customize the page to make it match your brand. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer and web design guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Framer and go to your project. If you already have a site started, open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create or open the workspace where you want the AI-generated page to live. Once you're inside the project, look for the Insert button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click that to open the Insert menu. Now in the search bar, type Wireframer. This is the AI feature in Framer that helps generate layouts for you. When Wireframer appears in the list, click it to launch the prompt box. This is where the magic happens, because instead of manually building each section, you can describe the website you want in plain language. In the prompt box, type what you want Framery to create. The more clear and specific you are, the better the result will be. For example, you could write something like, create a modern SaaS landing page with a hero section, feature blocks, and a pricing section. You could also ask for an agency homepage, a portfolio site, a product launch page, or even a simple one-page business website. Think of this like giving the AI a creative brief. Once your prompt is ready, press enter. Framer AI will begin generating the layout automatically. Give it a moment to process, and then you'll see your website structure appear on the canvas. Depending on your prompt, it may generate a full homepage or a section-based layout that you can refine from there. This is the fastest way to turn an idea into a real design without starting with a blank page. After the layout is generated, take a moment to review everything. This is where you can start editing the design to make it your own. You can change the text to match your brand, replace placeholder images with your own visuals, and adjust the layout if you want sections moved around or resized. You can also customize colors, fonts, buttons, and spacing so the site feels more polished and unique. Even though AI gives you the foundation, the final design is still fully in your hands. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. That's normal with any AI-generated design. Just click into the elements you want to update and make your adjustments. You can refine headlines, rewrite call-to-action text, swap out images, or tweak the structure until it looks exactly how you want. The goal here is to use AI as a starting point, not a final limitation. When you're happy with the page, click Publish. Framer will make your site live, and then you can open your live site and refresh to see the changes online. This final step is important because it confirms that your AI-generated website is now published and accessible to visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to generate a website in Framer with AI using Wireframer, from opening your project to publishing the final result. It's a fast, beginner-friendly way to build websites and save a ton of time. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Framer tutorials, website design tips, and no-code guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.